Hi, this is GBP USD and today it's Wednesday, 4th of March 2015 and the time is 14:16 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members, FXholics Forex Signal subs users and WhatsApp Signal subscribers. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. We see that the pair is making a bearish Kumo breakout and this is the H4 time frame, and although ideally you should enter after the price touches Tenkan Sen, or even better after the price touches the median Bollinger Band, it looks like the pair wants to fall deeper before making a proper correction. So you have two options. You either go to a smaller time frame and wait for a correction, a proper correction, at least to the level of Tenkan Sen, and this is the M5 time frame, or you wait practically to see the price touching Tenkan Sen or crossing above Tenkan Sen, even approaching median Bollinger Band, that you will enter with the bearish price Tenkan Sen cross and Tenkan Sen going downwards from M5, or you wait on a higher time frame, and this can be H4. Maybe you'll have to wait a few hours to see a bullish candlestick and then a proper correction, so you can enter after the correction. That will make your trading more slow, and you may not be patient enough to wait on H4. Alternatively, go to M5, which is a small time frame and will help you jump in the short trade once your entry criteria are met. After the correction is over, the upward move is over, enter with the bearish price Tenkan Sen cross and Tenkan Sen going downwards. Place your stop loss above the body of the Kumo on M5. Stay in while the candlesticks close below Tenkan Sen on M5. Exit when you see Kijun Sen, the blue line, becoming horizontal. Thanks for watching and happy pips.